In the heart of lightning-filled mountain storms, survival depends on instant decision-making, a skill polished by wilderness expert Sarah Daniels. Caught unexpectedly, Sarah demonstrates the vital technique of using low ground valleys, minimizing exposure to lightning arcs. She insists on avoiding solitary trees or rocky outcrops, while emphasizing the importance of crouching low with only the balls of your feet touching the ground to reduce electrical conductivity. As the temperature drops, she explains how to insulate oneself using surrounding foliage to manage hypothermia risks, essential as rain and cold escalate threats. Through these expert strategies, Sarah shows adventurers and preparedness enthusiasts the fine line between danger and safety amid nature's electric fury.